鄉親啊，繼續來看飛達的執行長黃仁勳，今仔日召開着全球媒體記者會，有媒體問到台海的議題，問伊是不是支持台灣的實盾，是不是會擔心台海發生着衝突？黃仁勳講，每一個人的供應鏈攏應該盡可能多元化，安尼才有韌性。伊講，這並未影響到飛達投資台灣。
It's my birthday today, so if you can give
Happy
me
birthday!
Thank you very much.
聽到記者生日，飛達執行長黃仁勳哪聽提問的內容，哪簽名，佮主動講咱來組合一個。另外一位記者電腦嘛得到 AI 教會簽名。
$1 million.
黃仁勳嘛順勢甲台廠的供應鏈國家穩達達，前一天才正式公開新品 RTX Spark。記者會直接做合作的新立判，聯發科執行長蔡立行同齊上台。
I can't do my chip without MediaTek's help. We have support from the entire supply chain for us to grow robustly.
不過，地緣政治變化多端，飛達不斷加大對台灣投資。黃仁勳嘛卻問到，敢會煩惱台海的衝突。
Everybody's supply chain should be as diversified so that we can have resilience. And it's one of the reasons why Taiwan is such an incredible strategic partner for the United States. TSMC and Amkor and SPIL and Wistron and Foxconn, the amount of investment they've put into the United States.
So is NVIDIA and the U.S. supporting Taiwan Silicon Shield?
We can do both at the same time. Continue to invest in the expertise that are here and diversify and to make our supply chain as resilient as possible.
甲台灣同款 AI 嘛發展真緊的韓國是關心黃仁勳安怎看待三星的罷工危機。
I think people should be paid as much as possible. I pay my employees as much as I can.
人工智慧時勢，各國攏有挑戰，飛達要拼甲全球的市場攏無來做，來自世界各地百款的難題，黃仁勳見招拆招。
Hello， 我是林仙怡，想要搶先掌握最及時的新聞資訊嗎？趕快訂閱、按讚、開啟小鈴鐺，鎖定華視新聞 YouTube 頻道。